Hi everyone, I'm going to explain about symbol table generation in compiler. So in this program, first here I'm taking the input till the input will contain the end, and then after that I'm declaring few variables which I will use later in the program for reference and as flag variables. And then here in this array I'm just splitting everything based upon the space which I took here, because here I'm just concatenating into a single line so that the whole program will be in a single straight line. And after that I'm using a hash set, and then in this hash set of keyword I am adding in double character and everything else, and then in operator in the hash set of the operator I'm just adding this plus all the operators, plus minus, addition, subtraction, increment and decrement, all those. And then in the hash set of punctuations I'm adding all the punctuation marks. And here I'm declaring two string variables, string as 0 to 9 whole closure and A to Z, and I will compile this with pattern compiler. And what it will do means it will give all the combinations of 0 and 9 to the it will assign it to this num variable. So in future I can use the pattern matcher and then check if it matches this num. That means any combinations of zeros and ones will be considered as num, and any combinations of A and Z will be considered as this this variable. So I am compiling those two, and then I created more string arrays. Why I created this means so that I can store in each array I can store different things like all punctuations in one array, all keywords in one array, like that. And then finally in here by using pattern matcher I am checking if it has the combinations of numbers or keywords. And then also I am checking like if the pattern matches if this pattern matches any of the pattern in this hash set, etc. So when this pattern matches to this all the keyword pattern, I will store them in like in one of these arrays. So for example, like here I have this the array of dd in this array, and then d type is the data for the data type. So that means all the int, string, all those these keywords, it will be stored in the array of dd. And similarly I am doing this operation for all the other variables, for all this keywords, operations, and everything else. It does the same operation, like it will check if it's there, and then it will just store in one of these arrays. And then finally I'm just printing everything in a table format using these two for loops. So let's see how this program will run. So here I already gave an input for this program. So here I gave us int a and int b equal to a, so that the value of b also will be 1, and string c, and I didn't give anything for this string c, so by default it should store as null. Even for integer value, if I didn't give any if I didn't assign it to any value, means it will just store as 0. So here we can see that in the first line the identifier is a, and then data type is integer, and then the value is 1. It doesn't have any return type because it's not any function, and no parameters and no type of element because there is no function in this program. And here we can see that p equal to a. When I declare that, here we can see the id is p and then value as 1 because we took the value of 1 from the a. And then the string c isn't assigned to any string value, so it just stored the value as c. So that's all for now. Thank you.